Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Peggy from the Pearl Forest, and I got that right this time. We are continuing on with our start to finish journal, which is actually in this case 5 mini journals, and they're all on a nature theme using Joey Cardmaker Nature's Notes, 4 different digitals on one for each season. So we've done the big pieces, put some big cards in, still has some decorating. Now we have some small pieces to put in our pockets, and we'll see where we are with that. This will be used with some decorating. So let's see, we have one, could put something there too, so 2, 3, 4, I'm guessing how many we need for each book. 5, 6, this goes in here, 7, 8, could put something there, but we won't count it right now. So we have at least 8 places to put other things. So let's see. What if we find 8 things for everybody? So we have one of these for each. Maybe we'll go across here. These are playing cards that I've put some paper on the back. I was thinking of making little tabs on these, but we'll do that in our decorative phase. They will be small, so I can't do any existing ones or punch them out. I will have to make some little ones. Okay, so now we have a ton of tickets. So what if we give each of them 2 to begin with? We can always come back and get more if we want them. This one didn't get distressed on that side, so we'll swap it out. We'll set these aside for right now. And then these tag ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we'll just put them out here and then we'll figure out which journal they're going with. I think this is pink, this is the black, white, and purple, this is green, this is blue, orange. So we'll go with that. Okay, now we have all of these T cards, and oh, we have more of these. Oops, we have more. And then we have these tickety pieces. So that we said was blue. I think that one can go there, although this is blue. This is more purple. We have green, blue. Oh, the black and white one was also purple. That one was blue. What were we doing as pink? Or were we making that was pink? Whoops, let's make that blue. We'll go with that. If I can remember now which ones those are. Okay, since we need 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we actually want more than that. So I also have the side things. Should we give everybody 12 cards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 7 is 12. So 3 or 4 of these and 3 or 4 of those. So let's see. This would be nice with pink. So blue. Still just do the berries. Whoops, that one we've done. Did we say this was orange? That one was green. I printed these a couple times, so we have multiples. There. It's orange. That one. Actually, this is supposed to be purple. These were blue. There. There. So 3, 3, 3, 3. This is kind of green and blue, but we're getting a random selection. Those 3. Okay, so there's 3 of each of those, and we'll have 4 of each of the T cards. So I'm going to set these in here. These are decorative things. Okay, so this is green, blue, orange, pink, purple. Hard to remember all those. That one's a little blurry. Put that in the orange. This with this one. Put that one there. We're going for 4. We don't want to give it 2 bunnies. 3. 1. 2. That one's a little blurry also. Some of them printed when the printer was not working well. We have that one. We have our horse. So that's 4. Okay. And 1, 2, 3. That's the bird. So we have that one already. I'm gonna put the bees with it because it's yellow orange. We have one over here that's the purple, black and white. Here's like a black and white and green. Do that one. So we have that one. Maybe that one. I already have the cow. I have the polar bear. Add the dog. Oops. Okay, so if we do these ones for this one, which is the black, white, purple, I'm pushing them out of view, but they're just up here. This is the blue one. It has 2. blue by itself. Give it this insect. Have that one. Maybe I'll just, I got this one. Could do that one. So there's the blue one. Okay, so this is the green one. We have one thing. Could have this one. 3. Don't really want more insects. We'll do the cat. There's 4. So these are extras. And these are all distressed on the back and have writing space. We'll put them up here in our extra bin. And pull the books out. You having a great day? Hope so. I am doing multiple videos today, which you may or may not notice. I'm wearing the same shirt, but I've worn it in other ones as well. Okay, so this is the pink one, and I believe that was the pink one. This one is the blue one, and whoops, oh dear, don't be throwing them around. I'm not sure whose ticket that is, but we'll resolve that in a bit. This is the blue one. This is yellow, I think is here. Purple, pink was there. This one's blue. This one isn't blue. I don't know. This was the blue one. Maybe this is the green one, but I've been putting lots of blue things in it. Oh well. Okay, so those are how I've divided them. We have these things to put in this journal. So let's figure out where we would like them, and then we can figure out what else we'd like to make. Okay, we have first page. This is just blank and blank. We have this pocket. These sheep look nice in there. We could add one of the tickets. We have this. We can add a second thing if we have extra. We'll see. We have this already in that pocket. I think this would be good with something. Or put something on that card. We'll decide. We have this pocket. Could just put that there. I have little flowers to put on these tickets so we could tie in that color to it. And if we decide 2 tickets aren't enough, we'll grab some more. Lots of journal space. This one looks nice there. I guess I did not distress around the fronts because I hadn't cut them out yet. This needs some artwork of some kind. We have that one. We have this up tuck. Could put these bugs, but this one ties in color-wise. He kind of gets lost in there. That's two of them. Maybe we can put something else that sticks down further. And this one, we need to find a spot where we can put that. That's not bad. We have this. We could add another piece, plus we'll have some decoration on that. So let's see. Could also put this just on there. It could actually be another little tuck belly band. So let's see, don't want to go clear to the corners. I don't know what we'd put there, but maybe the person who gets this journal will have something to stick there. A little note, a little photo, a little piece of memorabilia, a nature observation. In the book boxes, I'm going to have things they could add if they wanted. Okay, so and this will get decorated. Do we want to add something else with it? No. Maybe we'll find something to put on here that ties to that. This would just be nice on the page, although we could do it as a little tuck also. Just looks nice over here for Mr. Froggy to have this dining buffet. Okay, so something small can go in there. Can't even be like a ticket. Do we have enough extras? We do. Not one that dark. Let's just put one in there. Okay. We'll add something longer there. We could put one of these in here, layered in. This will have some kind of decoration. That's okay the way it is. Those are to write on. I think this is not one that goes to this book, so I'm not going to put it in right now. But we have a lot of extras if we want to come back and add some. Where would we like this red one here? Let's close this up. I also have a whole bunch of little tag bases from like, I'll show you. These are little tiny ones from products, price tags, things like this, or off of packaging. They're just little small pieces that we could make tags to go in here. I think I have another box that's also small. Somehow I think I ended up with two of them. So anyway, that's an option to add more cards or tuck spots. And like I said, I might just put them in the pocket of the book box and people can add more if they want. All right, where would this card look nice? Looks nice there. Let's do that and do it as a corner tuck for a little spot. This being a small journal has a lot of little spots, but you can fold up a little note paper and put in here. I hope those aren't upside down. I'm not really sure which way they grow. Okay, so I think we have everything in here. I think we have 3 tickets. We have 1, 2, and then we had 1 back there. So this one is done for now. Let's put it down there. These were our extra tickets. And this one has 3 tickets, okay? So we have those. This one is the black and white and a little bit of green and purple. So far, anyway, in the cover. Is our guideline, anyway. Here's our tickets and our tags and our T cards. And close our glue. T cards and tickety things. Okay, so where are these gonna go? All right, this goes up. We do have a pocket on the side here. Maybe I'll just stick this one in here. I could put the tab on it like I talked about, and it could then not get lost in here. But right now we can maybe just put it like that, like a little black edge. And we have this, which would look pretty with, I was going to do something with that too. Depending on what I do there, that would be nice with an additional one. Sorry, I have kind of a gravelly throat. This will be decorated some. Okay, so this one, interestingly, the one I stuck in there, no, not exactly. Maybe this one. I think this is one where I stuck a ticket with it. Maybe this one over here. Yeah, I think that ticket is too bright for those colors. I think that's better. We have this one. We have this tuck here. Maybe this dog here would like to play with those dogs. If you have dogs, you might understand that. This looks like somewhere this guy would like to be. I think I'd like some more tags like these, but maybe even slightly taller. Okay, would this fit? No, but what would fit? So make this a pattern for another tag, although it'd be better if it was maybe a little wider. Not a lot of room to write on this one. So we'll just consider that for height at least, to add something. This would be pretty. It's a lily pad. We could also put the ducks here. Let's do that one. Oops, flippy flip. Hope I didn't spread my glue out where it shouldn't go, besides on the table in my hands. So that's a little tuck spot. A little extra. I think I need to replace the blade in my trimmer. Sometimes it's chewing the edges a little bit. Okay, we already have this one. Here. I think this one looks nice here. Which way does this go? I think like this. Right? Oh, here we go. Nice purple pocket. Some mushrooms. Okay, looks good in there. They don't just look like the wrong season, so I don't know. That doesn't look bad though. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. And then we'll go find a place for Mr. Cow and extra ticket. Whoops, come on. Stay in the right place. I kind of want to miss the flowers, so go up a little bit. Yeah. Extra squishy glue. Don't get on here. Okay, now Mr. Cow, where do we really need you to go? Could go in the middle. We don't have anything else there at the moment. Put you on again as a little corner tuck. And maybe we'll just give you some green grass here. Okay, there's one more. Now this one is our blue one, I guess. Yeah, blue. Okay, let's see what we got for this one. I don't know that I put all the tickets in this one though, did I? I seem to have a lot of tickets left. Doesn't really go there. I have the one with the cow. Have that there. Could just put one in here. That's two. Something more in the back. Can stick it in. There. So now there's three. Okay. Although I think I was putting four, but we'll go with three for now. Okay, T cards. Those four. Ticket light cards. Those three. And we need at least three of these. Okay, where would we like them? We have this here. This one actually matches that. This one looks really nice with that. And let's see. Oh. Well, matches the pocket. And the edge sort of goes with this. We have that one. We have this up tuck. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Like a bobcat sleeping in a bucket in a tree? I don't know. Doesn't really go with the seagulls really either. Yeah, I think I'll put him somewhere else. Okay, we have this one with this. Oh, we have a top pocket. Could put him in the top pocket. Could put this in the top pocket also, and we'll decorate the front. And we have this one, this blue one here with the purpley. This has a little purple on the sky. And we have this pocket. Do we want the dog? I think we want the dog. There we go. And along with this one, we'll make a extra tuck spot with, oops, this is out too far. I'm gonna just lay a ticket there so it'll already be in. Glue this on. Kind of have it high, but it's there now. Okay, so I still have these three. Put two things there. Put two of those in that one. They look good together. Maybe just put that in there. And it kind of looks good there. So let's see, it's these two sides. No. No. Not this side. This side. Okay. Make a little up tuck here. All right, so there we have that one, number 3. Okay, this one is the pink one, at least we're calling it the pink one. Here's another ticket. Here's our tea cards. Our tickety cards. And these cards and our tickets. So we have this. This one. See a couple possibilities. I think I'll come back to that one. Got so much glue on my fingers. No. That one. That one. I'm going to go with this one. Get some of the glue off. Getting in the way here. Belly band. Come back to that. This pocket. I think this one would look good in there. And with the green there, I think we could get away with throwing in another ticket. We have that card. We have this up tuck. Maybe this garden fence. This one would be nice with something additional. Not sure what. This one, I think just, well, where is it this? This or this? I think it's that one. And, oh, this goes in that tuck there. We have this one here in the belly band. And we could put this one on the belly band and maybe even put some mushrooms on the card when we do the decorating. Hope I'm talking loud enough. I tend to get quiet, I guess. Sorry about that. Hopefully your volume goes up high enough. I don't mean to do that. I guess I'm just used to being quieter. Okay, so this opens and this is a pocket here. Just stick that in there. We'll decorate that with something. Maybe we'll do a ticket here too. Okay, we have this one. Both of these go with this. Which goes with that better? I think the rabbit. Okay, we could put a tuck on here. Put the frogs in there. I don't really think I saw a frog place per se. So might as well just put him on here and he'll get whatever he gets. Okay, so we have these two to find a spot for. And then we have one more journal. Okay. We do have this page, which could be the bees. Where can we put the berries? I guess that could be the berries. I like the fence idea, but I'm wondering if I just like the berries color-wise. Or do I like both? Maybe both. The bees could be here by the watermelon. We still have the belly band. Could just put the bees in the belly band. Can always move later. Okay. And last but not least, we have the orange one. We have these tea cards, these ticket cards, these tickets, and this card, and another ticket we can use. Okay, so here we have this one. You could put these birds in there to go with him. We need to find a spot for our horse. We have our fox here. Don't think the ticket really goes with that page. The bunny. All right, so we have this one. A number of things could go there, so let's come back to it. See if something is a little more limited. We do have this side pocket here. And kind of like putting something across there for an additional spot. But I might decorate something smaller for that. We have this horse. Maybe put the other horse somewhere else. I think maybe the dog one. Well, it doesn't have it needs a pocket, I guess. I guess the bunny could go there. This one, the mouse. This one does really look nice there. And I think it looks fine with a ticket as well. We have our cow. All right, so we have these pockets. Maybe we'll just put the horse in here. And have the belly band. Have this corner one. Sunflower in there. I think we'll put the dogs in here. And the owl. Where is the owl gonna go? It could just go up here on the page. Maybe I'm gonna put him, instead of a corner tuck, I'm gonna just put him on the side of the page. And I did wrap the corner a little bit just to make it a little more sturdy, so then you can put something in there. And is there a blank spot I need the ducks? Yeah, I think that needs something. I think I'm gonna do the same on this one. It's less limiting than the corner kind. Could have thought of that sooner. But well, I did not. Okay, there you have it. Whoops. Whoops, except we have a rabbit down here. We'll put him in the corner. Let's see, we want these two. So next time we'll decorate and maybe add some more things to into the pockets. But we'll decorate some of the things that need decoration. And possibly the cover. on the next one. So thank you for joining me for this video where we've done some more of our Nature's Notes journals. This is Peggy from the Pearl Forest, and I hope you had a fun journey with me. I hope your day is full of fun and creativity and love. Hurry back to our next adventure of some more start to finish journal, 5 mini nature journals. Take care. Bye.